Welcome to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to install SPRT SP-T12 printer on your computer. To install this printer you will require its driver. So please come on the screen. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download it from. This is the driver that you can download from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After download, just right click on that and click on extract to. It will create a folder like this. Double click on it. You will get a file, this one. Just double click on that. Click on this checkbox I agree and then click on next. Choose this option 58 series and then click on next again. Now choose the port of your printer where your printer is connected right now. I'm going to select a USB 001. This is recommended, so please select that and click on install. It is installing the drivers, so please wait. It doesn't take much time. Please see below if it is asking for permission. Please click on yes. That's it. The printer has been installed successfully. So this is how you can install this SPRT SP-T12 printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.